Masturbation effects on your health, side effects and benefits. Overview. Masturbation is a common activity. It's a natural and safe way to explore your body, feel pleasure and release bolt of sexual tensions. It occurs among people of all backgrounds, genders and races. Despite the myth, there are actually no physically harmful side effect of masturbation. However, excessive masturbation can harm your relationships and everyday life. Other than the masturbation is a fun, normal and healthy act. Side effect of masturbation. Masturbation doesn't have any harmful side effects. However, some people may feel guilty about masturbating or have issues with chronic masturbation. Masturbation and guilt. Some people may feel guilty about masturbation because of cultural, spiritual, and religious beliefs. Masturbation is neither wrong nor immoral, but you may still hear messages that self pleasure is dirty and shameful. If you feel guilty over masturbation, speak with someone you trust about why you feel this way and how you can move past that guilt. Therapist and specialists in sexual health maybe is good resource. Addiction to masturbation. Some people can do develop and addictions to masturbation. You may be spending too much time masturbation is if masturbation causes you to skip your choice or daily activities, miss work of school, cancel plans with friends or families, miss important social events. Addictions to masturbation can harm your relationships and other parts of your life. Masturbation too much may interrupt your work or studies, which can lower productivity. It may also hurt your romantic relationship and friendship because you don't spend as much time with your loved ones as you used to, or don't pay attention to other needs. If you're worried you may have addiction to masturbation, speak with your doctor or a counselor about way to cut down on masturbation. Talk therapy can help your manage your addictions. You should also cut down by replacing masturbation with other activities. Next time you have an urge to masturbate, try going for a run, writing in a journal, spending time with friends, going for a walk. Does masturbation causes a decrease in sexual sensitivity? For women who have sexual dysfunction, enhanced stimulation, including masturbation, can help increase sexual desire and sensitivity. In fact, 2009 studies found that vibrator use among women and men has been linked to an increase in desires, resolve, and overall sexual functions. Women has also reported an increase in lubrication, while men reported better erectile functions. According to the studies, masturbation can affect sensitivity during sex for men because of their technique. Research has shown that too tight for a grip on a penis during masturbation can decrease sensitivity sensation. Sexual health experts recommended changing your technique during masturbation to restore sensitivity levels during sex. Benefits of masturbation. Masturbation is a healthy sexual activity. It has many benefits of your physical and mental health. Therefore, limited studies on the benefits of masturbation, but there are studies on sexual intercourse and stimulation. Research and anecdotal reports suggest that sexual stimulation, including stimulation though masturbation, may help you relieve built up stress and sleep better, boost your mood, relax, feel pleasure, relieve cramps, release sexual tensions, have better sex, better understand your wants to your need. Couples may also mutually masturbate to explore different desires as well as avoid pregnancy. Self pleasuring also help you prevent sexual transmitted infections. Masturbation and prostate cancer. Some research suggested that the regular ejaculation may lower the risk of prostate cancer. though doctors are not exactly sure why. A 2016 study found to risk prostate cancer decreased by about 20% in men who ejaculated at least 21 times a month. A 2003 study also discovered a similar link between frequent ejaculation and lower prostate cancer risk. There is no evidence, though, that ejaculation regularly protects against advanced prostate cancer. Masturbation during pregnancy. Hormone changes during pregnancy causes some pregnant women to feel high tenant sexual desires. Masturbation is a safe way to release sexual tension during pregnancy. Self pleasure may also help easy pregnancy symptoms such as lower back pain. You may feel mild irregular cramp or Braxton Hicks contractions during and after orgasm. They should fade away if the contractions don't disappear and become more painful and frequent. Contact your doctor right away. Masturbation may not be safe for women with high risk pregnancy. This is because orgasm can increase your chances for labor. Takeaway. Masturbation is a healthy, natural, and safe way to practice self care and improve your health. Masturbation may have many benefits of your mind and bodies despite the possibility or of addiction. There are no harmful side effects. Feel free to enjoy self pleasure without guilt or shame. Speak with a therapist or someone you trust about any negative feelings you have.